You use Google every day to look for answers, solutions, entertainment, and to prove your friend wrong. But did you know that you can also use it to make a lot of money online? Yes, there's a website that will compensate you for using Google. You can use it on your phone, your laptop, or your computer. And you can do it from anywhere on the planet. You can do it from your bed, the beach, while waiting in line, on your way home, or almost any place else, as long as you have internet connection. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. Okay, as always, I'll explain each and every step to you, and you may want to follow along with me, so right after this video, we'll be ready to go out there and make some money. So just pay attention and follow the steps. Keep in mind that this will be very simple because we'll only be using 2 websites. So the first website will be Google, and I'll show you the second one in a minute, but first and foremost, I'd like to address something. Many of you have asked why I'm sharing these strategies with you, as opposed to giving them to myself and making money. Well, I'm doing this to help because I know there are a lot of people out there struggling to make ends meet, and secondly, I already have my own business model that makes me a lot more money, which I didn't want to share or show to anyone until recently, but then I realized that the more people in this business, the better. So what I did was I started teaching people every day to do the same, sharing my business model with them, and I have to admit, I'm happier because I get to see people go from broke and desperate to making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, because this is truly unique. It's not affiliate marketing, it's not merge selling, it's not Shopify, it's not MLM, it's not anything like that. It's not some famous marketer, and if you want me to walk you through it step by step, I'll show you precisely how to do it and show you the same strategies that hundreds of students have used to make a lot of money online. Anyway, let's return to the video. So the first step for you is to simply open Google and leave it there. Okay, so the main website you'll be using in conjunction with Google in order to make money by searching on Google is gonna be this website. But you must keep watching because if you just go to the site and try to figure out on your own, you won't know what to do because I'm going to show you a simple Google trick that will actually allow you to make a lot of money with this website. So I'm going to teach you how to combine those two in order to make money simply by searching Google, and I'll also explain how this works. And if you follow each and every step in this video, you'll be ready to make money as I mentioned. As you can see, the site has partnered with some of the world's most well-known brands, including Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and many others. As you can see, these are some of the world's largest corporations, and consider how much money can be made with just one easy search: $1,600, $800, $800, $800, $800, $10,000, and so on. There's a lot of money to be made here. Now, all you have to do is go to mindsumo.com and sign up. To do so, go to Login, Sign Up, and click on Login/Sign Up. If you don't have an account yet, click on I don't have an account yet and sign up for free. Simply enter your first name, last name, country, email address, create a unique password right here, and select your birth date and gender, then rate yourself in the following skill areas. Now, this is completely optional, but regardless of what your skill set is, I recommend that you choose something like average proficiency or above average, because this will increase your chances of earning more money. As a result, I choose average proficiency, and average proficiency once again. After filling out this personal information, you'll be asked questions such as why you're interested in using MindSumo and what types of projects you're most interested in solving. For now, we'll just answer questions like the first one, because it's better to train your minds by searching something rather than just answering something by searching it on the internet. The other concern is, because you're interested in a lot of subjects, does it mean you can answer a lot of their questions and get paid right here? You don't have to check these boxes because doing so will sign you up for their email list, which is obviously not something you want. You don't want to receive spam emails or anything like that. So next, check these 3 boxes, accept their terms and conditions, and their privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these links, as well as this one, which is to avoid plagiarizing on your work, and then click on I'm not a robot. Over here, finish the task, which in this case is the automobiles, and just click the registration button. you now have a MindSumo account. Now, if you log into your account and scroll down a little bit, you'll find all of these different challenges, questions, and projects that you can answer and earn money for. As you can see, they pay anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars, and on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see numerous categories from which to choose, so there'll be no shortage of money to be made on these websites as there are new questions and new projects every day. Let me show you some previous projects. For example, if I open up this one over here, you can see how much money people have made just from this challenge. As you can see, the total budget for the top was $10,000, and there were 10 top answers. As you can see, the top 10 answers are splitting their revenue equally, with each receiving $1,000. So if you're in the top 5, you'll almost certainly be able to get that $1,000, but it may be a lot more in this case. Stick with me though, so I can show you the simple Google trick and how exactly you'll be paid to search Google. Anyway, I'd want to return here and select some of these categories, such as computer science, and then select any of these projects that interest you, and you'll be taken to that project. So, as you can see, they're gonna ask you a question right here, which is the major thing we need to answer, and we have a chance to win a share of $1,600. So, what's that Google trick? Well, you'll need to copy this question right here and paste it into Google, so we can locate an answer here on Google. You can look through all of these articles, for example, this one, and see if there's anything that answers our question. So once again, how might artificial intelligence technology assist us in writing? And you can see that this is exactly what we're looking for. So they're giving examples of how that could look. This is a really professionally answered question, so it'll most likely be in one of the top shares on here, and you saw how easy it was. All I did was copy this, go to Google, search for that question, and I already have an answer right here. The next thing I need to do is to modify the answer a little bit. So how did you do that? I went back to Google and searched for Google Docs. So make sure to search for Google Docs and open this website docs.google.com, which is their official website. Now click on blank right here and return to the article, where you can copy and paste some of the answers. Copy it and paste it here. Then go back and copy another. The longer your response, the more likely you're gonna receive more money. The more profound your response, the better. And now you can, of course, add this. We can change the font, we can change the colors, we can change some words. For example, instead of this, I can just select this. I can change it to blue, maybe change it to bold, and that part, or something similar. As you can see, it's completely configurable, and it's quite simple to use. Simply search for the answer on Google, change it in Google Docs, then click File, go to Download, and save it as a PDF document. When you open that document, it'll look like this, as you can see. Once you have it on your computer, you will simply return here and submit the answer, and you will most likely receive a share, or in this example, $1,600. Now keep in mind that you will not win the entire $16,000. You will have to split it with the other contestants, but as you can see here, it was rather simple and it took less than 5 minutes to locate the answer on Google. I found the answer in less than 5 minutes by searching. And now I have a chance to win anything from $20 to $35 and possibly even $100 or $200 for free. Now that this project has been completed, as you can see, I'll need to identify something that has been opened and then submit my replies. For example, all I have to do is search in Google for the answer, discover the answer, and then click on I have an idea to log into my account, enter my email address and password, and submit the answer. So you can see how simple it is to make a lot of money online by searching on Google. Of course, there's no guarantee that you'll win the challenge and receive a portion of the prize, but it should only take a few minutes to search Google, and like I mentioned, you can do it from anywhere, so why not do it in your spare time and earn some additional cash? That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comment section below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.